Agriculture is involved animal keeping and crop growing. Today we are going to talk about how agriculture can make your life good and simple. Agriculture is conducted depending on the climatic conditions of the area. Example in the equatorial climatic conditions. The crops involved are coffee and tea. I am gonna talking about coffee. Mostly coffee requires more investment, and once you invest on coffee you will earn more money and become the millionaire. What are you waiting for? Get yourself into agriculture and become a millionaire.